pharmaceutical and biotechnology. Watson-Marlow are a strategic partner and key supplier to biopharmaceutical customers and original equipment manufacturers worldwide. Working together with our customers, we support the development and manufacture of biological products, including COVID-19 vaccines. We provide customers with solutions to control and manage fluid. These solutions are used throughout biopharmaceutical processes, from transferring delicate fluids across the various manufacturing steps right through to filling the vials ready for patients. This sector accounts for 55% of our global sales. No episode could signal the importance of the biopharmaceutical industry more than the COVID-19 pandemic. With expertise and leading products, we are well positioned to support our global biopharmaceutical customers to meet the challenges of a pandemic and vaccine rollout. From the research and development laboratory and small-scale batches for clinical trials, through to mass production. Take a look inside many biopharmaceutical facilities, and our fluid path solutions can be seen throughout. Comprised of cased and panel mount pumping products, valves, connectors, and tubing. These components are vital for our customers who work with our expert teams to optimize their processes. We are the only peristaltic pump manufacturer in the world to develop and manufacture tubing and associated fluid path components. This puts us in a unique position of being able to completely optimize the performance of our customers' processes. Our dedication to helping customers validate their process to the stringent demands of the industry helps major biopharmaceutical companies get their products to market quicker. Today, we're continuing to strengthen our regulatory and supply chain process to help safeguard supply. Through our strategy, we will further strengthen and protect the continuity of supply and ensure we maintain the quality we are known for by investing in digital technologies and new manufacturing facilities in key geographic locations. With dedicated manufacturing facilities, expert teams, and a strategic roadmap to become an even more digitally innovative business, our outstanding capabilities help our customers worldwide deliver critical biopharmaceutical processes. Through our unique consultative global direct sales model and expert teams, we will continue to support the industry into the future.